Hello everyone, have you ever tried drawing something and it looked amazing in your mind, but on paper it looked like a sleepy potato wearing glasses? Don't worry, that happens to everyone. Many people think drawing is a talent you are born with, but the truth is, drawing is a skill anyone can learn with the right fundamentals. Even great artists like Leonardo da Vinci started with simple sketches before creating masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. Today we are going to learn 5 simple fundamentals of drawing that will help every beginner improve. Fundamental 1. Shapes. Every drawing begins with basic shapes. Instead of drawing a complicated objects immediately, artists break it into simple forms. Draw these shapes: circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Now convert them into objects like circle, head or ball, rectangle, body or building. For example, when drawing a person, circle turn into head, rectangle turn into body, and lines turn into arms and legs. Congratulations, you just created the world's most artistic stick figure. Even professional artists secretly start their drawing this way. Fundamental 2. Lines. Lines are extremely important in drawing. Different lines create different feelings, like straight line, calm and stable, curved line, soft and natural, zigzag line, energy and movement. Now try drawing two trees. Tree 1, stiff straight lines, and tree 2, curved loose line. Suddenly one tree looks serious and the other looked like it just had 3 cups of coffee. If your lines look shaky, that's okay. Artists call it expensive line work. Your teacher might call it practice more. Fundamental 3rd is proportion. Proportion means the correct size relationship between different parts of your drawing. For example, when drawing a face, like eyes in the middle of the head, nose halfway between eyes and chin, mouth below the nose. Now imagine if we draw tiny eyes, huge nose, very big forehead. Congratulations, you didn't draw a human, you create a cartoon villain. Learning proportion helps drawing looks balanced and realistic. Fundamental 4. Light and shadow. Without shading, drawing looks flat. Step 1, like draw a circle. Step 2, add shading on one side. Step 3, add a small shadow under it. Now your circle become a 3D sphere. This is how artists create depth and realism. A simple circle can turn into a basketball, planet, or orange just by shading. Fundamental 5. Practice. Here is the biggest secret of drawing. Even famous artists practice constantly. Artists like Vincent van Gogh made hundreds of sketches before creating famous painting like the Starry Night. Practice improves line control, shapes, shading, and confidence. Simple practice exercises like draw 10 circles, 10 cubes, 10 quick sketches of objects around you. At first they might look strange, but with practice they start looking much better. So remember the 5 fundamentals of drawing: shapes, lines, proportion, light and shadow, practice. And the most important rule, don't be afraid to make bad drawing. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.